Hello. If you've spent the last 10 years in a coma, we'll be helping you catch up with recent events. Event 1. Amazon has revolutionized the way you shop and has become a company worth about $1.4 trillion as a result. Event 2. Now, Amazon wants to entirely change what we think of when we imagine the word delivery. And there's a global pandemic right now. But this video is about the future, so you won't hear a lot about that. So where do we start? Somewhere near the beginning, but not quite. Since getting founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994 as an online bookstore, Amazon has taken on different industries and has absolutely dominated. First, they dominated the online book market, and next, they went into cloud computing and absolutely demolished all their competitors. But that was not enough. Next, they went into electronics, then software, then video games, then furniture, then Erebor, then they killed Smaug, took his gold and used it to build the biggest e-commerce brand the world has ever seen. And now, they are about to do the same thing to all those industries in the shipping industry. It's no surprise, really. Amazon is known for its distribution of well-organized industries. Like, if Amazon was a human being, it would be that annoying 7-year-old who always managed to disrupt the class. And to be fair, Jeff Bezos looks like the kind of kid who would absolutely love turning everything on their head. Well, moving on to the shipping industry. For years, the giants of delivery have been UPS and FedEx. Let's be fair to these guys, they've done their own portion of distribution too, but the distribution and Bezos and the gang are angling for is a more robotic kind. And we'll get there in a second. In 2019, FedEx decided that it was going to do something important. It decided that it was going to cut ties with Amazon. You may be wondering why. Did some pesky person unearth homophobic tweets from Bezos' Twitter timeline? Does he have a picture with Trump? Well, the answer to that is no. No. FedEx basically didn't want to continue sharpening the executioner's sword. FedEx ended the relationship it had with Amazon for one simple reason. Amazon was starting to learn how to ship too. Crazy, right? Well, not too crazy. Amazon has been laying down the groundwork for a robust shipping business since 2012. It appears that they were just waiting for the right time, and every minute that they worked with FedEx, they were learning the ropes of the industry and planning how to disrupt it. Apparently, FedEx woke up and smelled the coffee in 2019. They decided to leave Amazon before Amazon left them, and made the decision to focus on their other business partners. But it was kind of too late. Amazon Logistics, Amazon's shipping line, now has about 20,000 vans, 400 gigantic warehouses and 33 cargo planes. In fact, Amazon has a cargo airline called Amazon Air, and Amazon Air is the focus of this video. Who knows, Amazon may disrupt the airline business sometime in the future. However, it's Amazon's time to disrupt the delivery business. And to make things even more terrifying for its competitors, Amazon has a secret weapon. That secret weapon, well, is about as secret as Jeff Bezos' marriage-ending affair. It's a drone, and it's called Amazon Air. Look, we don't know if it'll get a chic and smart name later. Right now, it's a drone owned by Amazon, and it's all shades of revolutionary. According to Bezos, this drone will get your goods to you in 30 minutes or less. That means you'll be able to get almost anything you want without leaving the comfort of your bed. Of course, the products that the drone can deliver have to be light and must weigh about 5 pounds or less. You obviously wouldn't expect a drone to deliver a washing machine, right? Now Jeff, we aren't giving you any ideas. Don't try to disrupt your disruption. The funny thing, or the sad thing, it really depends whether you work for FedEx or Amazon, is that FedEx and UPS were huge beneficiaries of Amazon's business model. In fact, since they started doing business with Amazon, both of them have had $140 billion increases in revenue combined. And now, with Amazon introducing Amazon delivery drones, they just may have given their executioner its own sword. If Amazon manages to disrupt the industry like it's disrupted others, both companies will bitterly regret doing business with the company in the first place. On the surface, Amazon says that it will still use other delivery partners and that Amazon Air will just supplement its other partners. So if we listen to Amazon, it means there will be no disruption of the shipping industry. However, why should anyone listen to Amazon? Let's check out their history. Something of this sort may have happened before. In the early 2000s, Amazon's book website was growing in popularity. It needed more computing power and it decided not to outsource. Instead, Amazon rented huge warehouses and packed them full of supercomputers. These supercomputers weren't Amazon's default computers. They were basically a backup. Today, those supercomputers have become AWS, Amazon Web Services. Last year, AWS raked in more than $25 billion, making up about 60% of Amazon's profit. There's nothing to say that Amazon can't do the same to the shipping industry. But moving on. Let's focus on Amazon Air and delivery drones. First, let's talk about these drones. Jeff Bezos first had the idea of delivery drones in 2012. By 2013, Amazon had submitted blueprints and plans to the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. However, the company didn't get approval to test them until June of 2019. Once it got approved to test the drones, Amazon took it through lots and lots of tests and finally got it ready for approval in 2020. On August 29th, the journey of 7 years finally came to an end. The FAA gave Amazon Air the opportunity to fly its own drones. Amazon haven't yet said when it will roll out the drones en masse, but we know it will take a few years for the drones to be operating all over America. We also know that the drones have been used in tests to deliver packages under 30 minutes. Besides that, we've learned that drones can fly for about 15 miles and that there are different types of drones optimized for different delivery types. The drones aren't coming to America alone. Amazon had the first drone test in Britain, and right now, the company is testing 5 different countries using different designs and different mechanisms. The future of delivery is here, and it's Amazon Air. But not so fast, Bezos. Amazon is going to have a tough time disrupting this industry because of other companies like Alphabet and UPS, having also gotten approval from the FAA to use drones. And now Walmart has gotten into it too? Let's just say your skies are going to look pretty weird in the next few years. And also, you may want to invest in a high-powered BB gun. You know, for stuff. Who knows? You may want to hunt some metal birds. Okay. Back to Amazon. If this part of Amazon's business takes off, they would soon control every aspect of their business. They would own the goods, own the warehouses, own the website, and even own the drones. It would be the coup of the century. That's not where it ends either. We've now learned that Amazon is using its vans to deliver goods for third-party sellers. In short, Amazon's drivers will now pick up packages from third-party sellers who sell stuff on Amazon. It will then deliver that stuff to the buyer, cutting out the need for delivery services like FedEx or UPS. How long will it take before Amazon opens their entire business to everyone? Not very long, that's for sure. If Amazon Air and its accompanying innovations like drones are successful, it looks like the future of delivery is going to get unexpected and very disruptive makeover. The question that now remains is, what role will FedEx and UPS play in this future? Will they survive? Look, we're going to be very honest. Things don't look good. As it is, Amazon Air already regards FedEx and UPS as its competitors, and it says this on its annual reports. UPS and FedEx are in a terrible position. They are the perfect middlemen, and for years, they've made a lot of money from this privileged position. And if there's one thing we know about middlemen, is that they can be cut off. With companies like Amazon and Walmart, and now even Home Depot, investing in developing their own shipping arm, things aren't looking great at all. The point is, don't be surprised if your FedEx guy doesn't stop by as much as he used to. And don't get too surprised if you see multiple drones hauling toilet rolls across the city. That's just the way things are now. Let's hope Bezos doesn't try to disrupt the consumer industry. But before you know it, Amazon may be buying more consumer products than you, and may actually replace you in the value chain. In that world, Amazon would buy from Amazon, and Amazon would have to use Amazon to deliver Amazon. Confusing, right? Exactly. The future looks fun! That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We'll be up here posting videos till Bezos decides to disrupt YouTube. Hopefully, that day never comes. Bye bye.